The Trimaco One Tuff Contractor bag is the only demolition and tote bag you'll need. Ideal for paint, drywall, renovations, construction, lawn and garden, and more. This heavy-duty bag holds up to 45 gallons and 850 pounds. The over-shoulder straps and lower lifting handles make moving this bag easier. Strong enough to hang from a forklift. Tear-resistant woven polypropylene is tough enough for brick, wood, tile, metal, drywall, glass, stone, paint cans, and more. The Trimaco One Tuff Contractor bag is heavier than the competition, making it more durable on the job. This reusable bag is a tool you'll use over and over again.